Welcome to Harlan Kids Center. 10 words a day course. How to eat an elephant concept. We are entering the 13th day of the course and you are going to learn another 10 more words here. With this, the total is coming to 130 words. In any language, time is a valuable thing. So we are going to learn about time today. What are the words that are related to time? We will be talking morning, afternoon, evening, night, now, then, o'clock, early, late, time. With these words, we will be using the words which we have studied already. I, he, she, it, we, you, they. We are mostly dealing with these words which are very commonly used words, and in most of the places we will be using these words. So I will be giving you examples incorporating these words and with the new words which we are learning today. Let's see. We're going to see the word morning. Morning means early part of the day, before 12 noon. I can tell an example for that. I drink tea in the morning. We drink tea in the morning. They drink tea in the morning. Where we can use all the words what we have studied with this. Then the other word is afternoon. Afternoon means it is from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. That is the time frame which is going to talk about afternoon. Let's see an example. She cooks lunch in the afternoon. Just keep it in mind, children. 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Evening. They come home in the evening. Then the next word is night. Night is after sunset. So it is dark. Let's see an example. He sleeps at night. I sleep at 9 o'clock. Now is the word which talks about this moment, which is happening now, currently. We have to remember that. That is the word which we are pointing out for mentioning things which is happening now, currently. Let's see an example. We are working now. They are going now. I am playing now. The word then. This means after that. If you want to stack things, first thing will happen, then the second thing will happen. So in those positions, we will be using the word then. I washed clothes, then I ate. I played in the evening, then I studied. O'clock. So this is the word, the activities which is happening in a particular time. The exact hour. It is 6 o'clock. I wake up at 5 o'clock. He goes to school at 7 o'clock. A particular hour we are mentioning, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We can say that. Early means before the usual time. If the interview is at 7 o'clock and if you are reaching at 6:45, then you are early to the interview. Late, that is after the usual time. If the train is at 10 o'clock and if you're going at 10:30, then you are late. The train has gone. The last word is time. We're going to talk about the hour of the day. What time is it? Asking a question. Then we will get the answer. It's 7 o'clock. These are the words that we are studying today. I want to discuss a few more things with these children. We have learned the pronouns I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. These pronouns we have categorized into two portions. One is singular, the other one is plural. What are the singular words? He, she, and it. What are the plural words? You, we, they, and I. In English, most of the time, we will be using the simple present tense. Just keep it in mind. If we are learning to speak, most of the time we will be using the simple present tense. I go to school. He goes to work. She plays in the evening. They come home late. Similarly, we can say everything in simple present tense. There is a rule when we are using this. Let's see how it is working. With the words I, you, we and they, these are plural words, we will be using the base verb. For example, if we take go, then we can make a sentence. I go to school every day. She goes to class every day. Now let's see the singular words, the singular pronouns. He, she and it. We apply few rules. We'll add an s at the end of the verb, or it will add an es at the end of the word, or there will be a change adding ies at the end of the word. Now if I take the same example which we took, go, then we will say he goes to school, it goes to the shop. Let's see how these rules are working. If the verb ends in a vowel with y, for example, play, boy, these words. So where the word ends with y and it has a vowel before the ending letter. In such scenarios, we will be adding an s. How it will come? Play, plays, boy, boys. Then the other rule, if a verb ends in a consonant with y, let's see, study, delivery. If you take these two words, before y at the end of the word, we can see D, a consonant, R is a consonant. In such scenarios, we will remove y and we will add IES at the end of the word. How it will come? Study will become studies. Delivery will become deliveries. So the rule changes. What is a vowel? The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in English. The rest of the letters are called consonant. Let's go to the third rule. The verb ends in CH, ch, SH, sh, S, X, Z, O. If a word ends in such letters, then we will be adding an ES at the end of the word. For example, if it's go, then we will be saying goes. If it is wash, which ends in SH, we will say washers. Most of the regular verbs will add an S at the end of the word. For example, eat will end eats. Walk will end walks. So keep it in your mind, children. When we are using these verbs with the singular pronouns, then we will be following this rule. Then we have to see another special area, or when we are having a conversation in English, there are some indefinite pronouns. The first one, no one. The second one, everyone. The third one, someone. The fourth one, anybody. The fifth one of you. These words will give you some confusion if you don't understand it properly. When these words come, we have to use the rule which we are using for singular pronoun. If we take the verb come, then we will say comes. If we use the verb work, then we will use the verb works. If you say the word eat, then it will change to eats. Let's see an example. No one works in the field in the morning. No one is leaving. Everyone. The similar rule applies. Everyone wakes up every day at 5 o'clock. Everyone goes to school in the morning. The next one, someone. We'll follow the same rule. Someone arrives at 7 o'clock every day. Someone visits me today. Then anybody. Anybody can call anytime. Anybody can go now. Third is one of you. One of you leaves early every Monday. Now all this time we were talking about the statements or the sentences, how we can make sentences with that. Now let's see how we can make questions. As I mentioned in my previous lessons, conversation is based on two things. One is the statements, the other one is the questions to know the things. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 5 o'clock. Does he go to work in the morning? Yes, he goes early. When do they eat lunch? When do they eat lunch? They eat in the afternoon. Within our lesson, you know that we are making statements as well as we are making questions. Conversation number 1. What time do you start work? I start at 6 o'clock. That's early. We go to the field in the morning. Conversation number 2. Does she cook now? No. She cooks in the afternoon. What time? At 1 o'clock. We have 5 questions. Then I'm leaving it to you. Just try to do the questions and see whether you have understood the lesson, what we studied today. So don't forget to follow our lessons, and then I will come with another new 10 words in the next lesson.